Good morning class. Welcome to a session on grade level entrepreneurship. In yesterday's class we have seen that what are the ways in which ideas cannot be generated. What are the misconceptions related to generating ideas. Idea is nothing but how to do, what business to do. Deciding upon the fact that which business is more suitable, right? More fetching, right? Now today we will see what are all the actual ways of generating ideas. The first one is environment scanning. Students, to tell you, in next year grade 12 you will do environment scanning on your own and start your own business. I will be helping you towards it today. In grade 11 you have only a briefing of environment scanning, but this very environment scanning is a very big chapter for you in grade 12. Right? And in environment scanning means nothing but exploring the environment around you and trying to identify the needs and problems in the environment. If there is a need or a problem that is existing in an environment, you will encatch that need. How is it possible? Say for example, you were reading a business magazine in which you were able to find out that customers are giving feedback about certain product. You were browsing through Amazon to buy a product, and while you were buying you will see the star rating now. Testimonials of customers will also be there. There they must have written that this product did not satisfy them in so many ways. Oh, you thought that, oh, many of them are having the same problem. Why not I do a business in this area? You got an idea from that. Right? From existing problem, from you were going through some magazine, you were going through some area, you were going through certain books, journals, referrals, blogs, sites, or you yourself were walking on the road and you found out that many people are having disabled people are not able to, say for example I'm saying disabled people are not able to climb the steps, and so they avoid going to so many places, and it is convenient if their rally is kept so that they can be pushed in the wheelchair. So all those things are nothing but trying to identify the problems. The world is filled with problems. Only if you have a different prospect of looking into the world, you will be able to identify and find a solution for those problems. Right? Then comes your creativity. Creativity and creative problem solving means making unusual combinations of resources. Thinking in an out of the box way. Thinking very differently, very uniquely, and giving your innovation in it and identifying or inventing a new product. Even if it is an existing product, your methodology, the method in which you adopt, maybe the market is new, something new about the product you are able to bring in. If you have such a mindset, such an ability, then fantastic. You are a creative innovator. You will be able to bring new things into existence. Next one is brainstorming. Brainstorming is overthinking. Thinking over and above, mulling about certain things, thinking again and again about the same concept, trying to note down the points, trying to make it like Nandita Das, she did brainstorming. Nandita Bijur in the ice cream example case study that I told you, overnight when her son said that ice cream did not taste well, she was not able to accept the fact that it was because of her. What she did, she started writing down the ingredients related to making an ice cream powder, and then the next day she asked her husband to bring it, and she did try it on her own. Right? That is brainstorming. Thinking about a certain thing again and again. Then comes your focus groups. Focus groups are those groups that when you have generated or when you have received have a clarity about the idea or the field in which you want to invest money and start a business. There may be moderators here, and those moderators may help you understand about the pros and cons, industries in and outs. There are so many things. You are a fresher, so you need to know about the people, about the suppliers, about the raw material people, about the labor, about so many factors related to business. So focus groups help you to actually bring your dream into existence. Then market research. This is also another project for you students. Next year you will be doing a project on this. So market research is nothing but taking survey. Going to the market, trying to understand the customer and making a research on it and trying to find out whether this business will be successful or not. Whether to find out what are the needs and wants of people. Right? These are all the different ways of generating ideas. Critically very important aspect is environment scanning and market research. Again, I will explain to you when I am taking the next topic. How to evaluate the ideas. In that it will be repeated again. I will explain one more time. But for today's class, we have seen that how to generate ideas. The first one is scanning the environment. The second one is your creative, making unusual combinations, brainstorming, focus groups, and market research. Brainstorming also happens amongst people. Group discussion, group of friends sit together, they do discuss. But that is not the only way. That is also one of the way. Okay, having a discussion or argument on a certain thing will enable you to come at a conclusion, right? Thank you and have a very fantastic day.